In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Cloudflare account, whether you've decided to move on to a different service or are simply looking to clean up your online presence. Deleting your Cloudflare account is straightforward, but requires a few careful steps to ensure it's done correctly. First, let's start off by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your primary hub when managing your Cloudflare services, so you'll want to ensure you're entering the correct credentials. You can easily access the dashboard from the Cloudflare homepage by clicking on the Log In button. It's vital to double-check that you're using the right username and password combination. If you run into any issues with your login details, use the Forgot Password link provided on the login page to reset your credentials. Once you're successfully logged into your Cloudflare dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, you want to navigate to My Profile. This section of the dashboard houses your account details and personal settings. On the profile page, look for the option that says Delete this user. It's a straightforward link, but important to recognize that this action is irreversible. This process doesn't just delete your user account, it will also remove any domains associated with it. Confirming this step means you're ready to have both your account and all its associate data permanently erased from Cloudflare's systems. Now, you'll be prompted with a few confirmation notices. These are here to ensure you understand that deleting your account is a permanent action. You won't be able to recover any data once it's erased. It's always a good idea to double-check that you have backups or have transferred any critical data elsewhere before proceeding. Finally, carefully proceed through the prompts. Take your time to review any final messages Cloudflare provides, as they may contain important information about data loss or service termination. Only move forward once you're absolutely sure that you no longer need the account or any information tied to it. By completing these steps, you've removed your account and any associated domains from Cloudflare. If sometime in the future you decide to use Cloudflare again, you will need to create a new account, as your current account information will no longer be retrievable. Deleting your account is simple and efficient, providing a clean slate, whether you're pursuing other options or streamlining your digital footprint. Thank you for following today's guide. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or to share your experience with this process.